What's up? Shit, I think look, hey, goddamn, I'm gonna make that list for you tonight. And I'm gonna give it to you tomorrow, Monday. You have to be ready. Like, wow. How come? Nigga, you fucking CD. I'm talking CD, dude. Man, I'm trying to tell your ass now. I'm gonna make the list tonight. I'm gonna give it to you tomorrow.
The next station is Garnett Station. Exit here for the City of Atlanta Municipal Court, Atlanta Public School System Headquarters Building, Castleberry Hills, and the Greyhound Intercity Bus Terminal. This is Garnett Station. This train is bound for Doraville Station.
Man, I got a new phone and they can transfer my old phone. I was just browsing through the goddamn number. I just recognized it. I remember them 6s in your mouth. That's why I was like, damn, it might be the guy. Hey, look, I'm gonna call you back, man. I need to holler about something. I'm gonna talk. All right.
This is your transfer point for the red, yellow, and green rail lines. Exit here for Underground Atlanta, Atlanta Convention.